So we're having a problem. The pins that go into the pivot pins, they're missing from our replacement windows. We don't have the hardware. So I got one of these. This is basically a sliding bolt that has an anchor. And I'm going to replace this on the window right here. And that's going to be my new pivot pin. Not sure if it's going to work. We'll see. Might work better. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find a nice meaty part of the window here. I'm going to drill a hole right down the center here. I have my hole, and I will place a little grommet in there. You can pound the nail down if you want to expand it a little bit so it doesn't come out. You can glue it in, I guess. Now we'll see if we can use these as a pivot pin. See if it works. Get the pins in. 1, 2. There we go. Plastic out of the way. Ta-da!
Brilliant.
Brilliant. Works.